Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse of storage solutions.
The SanDisk Professional 22TB G Drive Enterprise Class External Desktop Hard Drive. If you're looking for the best external hard drive for Xbox 360, you're in the right place.
Now, why is this drive such a game changer? Let's break it down. First off, this bad boy boasts a whopping 22 terabytes of storage capacity. That's enough space to store your entire gaming library, plus all those HD movies and music collections, with room to spare.
But it's not just about capacity.
Inside, you'll find an enterprise-class UltraStar HDD, spinning at a speedy 7200 RPM. This means lightning-fast access to your data, whether you're loading up game levels or streaming your favorite media. And check out this design.
The stackable, anodized aluminum enclosure not only looks sleek but offers premium durability.
Plus, with anchor points for easy attachment to your setup, it's perfect for gamers on the go. Now, let's talk compatibility. Whether you're gaming on Xbox 360 or any other platform, this drive has you covered. It's Mac-ready out of the box and easily reformatted for Windows, so you can game without limits. But don't just take my word for it. Users rave about the reliability, performance, and overall value of this drive. It's a true game changer for anyone serious about their storage needs. So there you have it, folks. If you're in the market for the best external hard drive for Xbox 360, look no further than the SanDisk Professional 22TB G Drive. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy gaming.